Hello my fellow family foodie friends, it's Jackie and I am sharing with you how we make a sweet treat to have at our pool all summer long, and my daughter's actually going to share with you what she does. This is part of a summer treats collaboration that's hosted by 5 ladies. I'm going to have their channels listed right here and also linked below, but make sure you not only check out all of their channels and videos, but check out the playlist linked below. I have bought probably every popsicle known to man, but nothing is more fun than making them yourself. My kids really get on board with making them. It's a really simple process, really simple recipe. I'm gonna share with you how we make strawberry lemonade popsicles. You can change it up with whatever fruit you have on hand, but my 10-year-old daughter's gonna make them for you, so let's go see that. And this is my daughter Mila. She really enjoys making these. It's very easy to have kids kind of adapt this recipe, but this is our basic one, right Mila?
Yes.
So one thing we like to do is if we have leftover fruit, what do we use?
Use what we have.
So raspberries, blueberries, whatever berries can go in here, watermelon, but we're using strawberries today because they've been on sale and we love strawberry lemonade. So we have 1 quart of water pre-measured. We have measured out a quart worth of pink lemonade. I'll pop up, our label fell off, so I'll pop up what that actually looks like. A heaping 2 cups of strawberries. You don't have to cut these, just make sure they're clean and washed. We've hulled them, but we're going to use the immersion blender. You don't have to have this, it just makes it easier to get it complete. You can also use a blender. And then we really like these Mamasicle cups. I got these on Amazon. I will link those below, but we make a lot of popsicles in these, or we make smoothies and then turn them into popsicles. That's really easy, but this is how Mila makes her strawberry lemonade popsicles. And go for it, girl. Okay, so now she has dissolved the lemonade mix and we can dump in the strawberries, but we don't have to do anything other than get them in there because we will use the immersion blender. Large chunks with a spoon.
Nope.
Okay, and we're ready to pour into the mold. Very simple recipe. My kids love it though. And now Mila's going to use her steady hand and pour into each cup. You can pretty much fill it up. Okay, now we put the lids on. You can see it kind of separates a little bit, but it's still really good. You can keep this in the fridge and make the second batch, or if you have 2 sets, or what do you like to do with it?
I like to drink it.
Yep, so that is what we'll do, and we will see you tomorrow when these are frozen. And then we just put these right in our deep freezer. You kind of make a flat surface for it to sit on. These are actually a really good alternative. I use these in smoothies or in the popsicles. And then you say goodbye and see you tomorrow. And here's what you end up with when they're frozen. Again, important to keep it upright, but they freeze nice. And then you pop them out, run them under warm water.
When you get the popsicle out of the freezer, the lid will be stuck on the popsicle, and you'll have to run it under warm or hot water. And then it'll come right on.
And hold it upside down. It doesn't come off the base either. And then you just can put these right in the dishwasher, make them over and over again, and it's definitely worth the investment on Amazon. My kids, 3 to 10, love them, and they're fun to give to guests, and even Mama gets in on the action every once in a while. But check out the playlist linked below. So if after watching that entire playlist you're still looking for a few other sweet ideas, make sure you check out how I make this Reese's Pieces peanut butter celebration cookie. It is perfect for family gatherings. I encourage you to watch it. Playing next. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.